Imagine earning up to $32.22 in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. No gimmicks or scams. Just a tried and tested app that has already transformed the lives of countless individuals. Don't waste your time on tedious tasks or unreliable methods to make money. This app is simple, straightforward, and guarantees immediate results. Experience the thrill of earning a significant amount of money in a short amount of time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your income within minutes. Watch now and take control of your financial freedom. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. Get ready to earn up to $32.22 in just 10 minutes. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity with Be My Eye app. Earn money in your spare time. Join the 3+ million people that have already downloaded the app and earn money by completing short missions in the stores near you. They work with large brands, providing data on how their products are displayed in stores. So they need people like you to collect the information, and they pay you for that. And it works very simply. First, download the app and sign up for free. Then, pick your mission. Available missions are displayed on a list or on a map. You'll see how much they are rewarded and how much time they take to complete. And you'll be able to read their instructions in advance. If there is a mission that interests you, simply click on Book the mission before someone else does. Go to the store. You'll be given some time to go to the store and complete the task. Complete the task within the app. Everything is done through the app. You'll just need to follow the instructions step by step. You'll be asked to answer a few questions and to take pictures of shelves. At the end of the questionnaire, simply click Finish Mission to send your report. After, the report will be transferred to the validation team, which will verify it as fast as possible. Once approved, you will get a reward to your Be My Eye wallet. You will receive an average of £5 for a mission. Some missions can earn you up to £25, which is equal to $32. You'll then be able to transfer the money to your bank account or to your PayPal account. Be My Eye is only available in certain countries in Europe. So if you are not live in Europe, comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.